stop getting results like this. That sharing right there, that's the difference between a hobby and a business. Now, I'm going to show you how to fix this permanently. It's all about mastering one simple system on your Thunder Laser, the dual air assist system. It's simple. For engraving, you want a whisper of air to clear the smoke for crisp details. For cutting, you need a blast of air to get clean, burn-free edges. This machine does both. But before we touch the controls, this choice is critical. Think of these nozzles like pen brushes. For wood, you use the narrow 3mm nozzle. It creates a focused jet of air that prevents shot. For glassy, flame polish edge on acrylic, you need the 6mm nozzle for its softer, white airflow. Okay, nozzle selected. Now for the command center, you have two dedicated channels. High for that powerful cutting blast and low for that gentle engraving whisper. Press high and listen to that efficiency. Now, here is the pro level part. There is an integrated pressure sensor monitoring this in real time. That means you can adjust this valve with surgical precision. Loosen the nut and dial in the perfect pressure for clear debris. Log it in and you're done. Now, for the detail work, you press low. See how much gentle that it is. We are not blasting, we are finessing. This is how you get those razor sharp details that clients pay for. Dial it in, lock it down. And the best part? In Laser Maker, Air Assist Low automatically uses your low setting for engraving. And Air Assist High uses your high setting for cutting. Set it once and you're done. Alright, you've mastered the basics. Do you want the pro tip? The one that will save you hours of cleaning and prevent errors? It's this little guy right here, the external side blow. When you're cutting dusty material, just flip this valve to on. It creates an invisible curtain of air that shields your autofocus sensor from dust. It's a game changer. When you master your nozzles and your air assist, you're not just cutting material anymore. You're creating perfect and professional sellable products every single time. This is the power of precision. If this video just saved your next project, hit that subscribe button because we have a lot more secrets to share. Now, go making something incredible. See you guys!